Problems of India and solutions. In this video, let's discuss about this lesson, Problems of India and solutions. Let's check it out. A country usually face many more external and internal problems managed through efficient administration. These problems can possible to handle and eradicate through different steps. That can be through social reformation, that can be fast and efficient judicial system. In this three-way social reformation, three-way good administration, social reformation, and efficient judicial system. Through this way, the problems can be solved. Okay, let's list out which are the problems we face in India. That is, we have listed 7 important problems. That is unemployment, corruption, discrimination, communalism, status of women, terrorism, and corporate strategy. All these 7 problems we going to discuss in this lesson. So first one, that is unemployment. What is unemployment? I have extracted that definition. That is a situation where a person does not find work. A situation where a person does not find work according to his capacity and qualification. According to his qualification and capacity, that person unable to get work. That situation we call unemployment. Then what are the important reason behind unemployment? Overpopulation, shortage of resource, dependence on agriculture, and cottage industry ruined. Due to these problems, unemployment that is increasing. Overpopulation and shortage of resource, dependence on agriculture, ruined cottage industry. Presently, the rate of poverty is 21.9 in India. It is according to the survey of 2011. Let's move to the measures taken to generate employment for people. The problem is unemployment. The solutions are here I have listed. Those are what we have to do, what government has done to generate employment opportunity for people. One is promoting skill level. There is a lack of skill in people. We have to promote the skill level of the job seekers, and we have to provide more and more loans and subsidy. For what purpose? To enable people to engage in self-employment. For self-employment purpose, the government has to give loans and subsidy, and providing world-class skill to our people. World-class skill that able to compete with global products. Even our laborers should compete with global product. That level of skill the people should have. And next one is we have to give job oriented courses to each and everyone. Through that way, there is possibility to generate employment for people. Let's move to one more problem, that is corruption. What is corruption and all? Let's figure out what is the definition of the corruption. Offering bribe. Very simple. Offering bribe is a corruption. Okay. Not only offering bribe, following any other illegal means to achieve some illegal benefits. To get illegal benefits, following illegal way, that is corruption. Or we can also say that misuse of public authority for personal gain, that is corruption. What are the effects of the corruption? One is, because of corruption, it negatively influence on personal and public life, and economic and social life of the country badly influenced, and administration is part of the official, it nourishes, and bribe, nepotism, favorism, tax evasion, hoarding, smuggling, cheating, all these kind of misuse of public authority or illegal means to achieve some illegal benefits, those nothing but corruption effects. We move on to the eradication of corruption. To eradicate corruption, what government has taken the steps? One is strong public ethics and morality. Through the strong public ethics, morality, and personal commitment, each and every single citizen of the country is very important in eradication of corruption. Public support is important, political will is important, good leadership is important, political leadership, good officers are important in eradication of corruption. Educated publics are required. Lokapal, Lokayukta, such institutions bring down the intensity of the corruption nowadays. And severe punishments has to give to the officials, those who corrupted. CCTV cameras should install in government offices to bring down the intensity of the corruption level. Through this way, we can eradicate corruption. This question can be asked: what are the steps taken by the government to eradicate corruption? Because many more points are there, it can be easily asked such questions. Communalism. What is communalism? Let's check it out. Segregation in the name of religion, creating hatredness, can be called communalism. In the name of, there is making bifurcations in the name of religion. Segregation, bifurcation in the name of religion, groupism in the name of religion, creating hatredness between the two religions, that can be called communalism. What are the effects of the communalism? What are the results of the communalism? What are the negative effects of communalism? I have figured out. It creates social differences, suspicion, fear among the people, suspicion among the people, social differences between the communities, political competition and social groupism will create political competition among the people. Socially, the group will create because of practice of communalism, and it is very dangerous for integrity and unity of the India, and disturb public property and private property, physical hazards, physical combats, physical clashes, physical assaults we call. Such kind of activities takes place in our community. And because of the practice of communalism, what happens? Here is one particular thing. Self-interest becomes more important than national interest and increases communal force and suspicious of other religion, and it affects unity of the nation, fraternity, equality, totally will disturb and spoil because of communalism. This aspect can be asked for 3 marks as well. We have to remember communalism, how can be controlled? Precautions we call. Very simple precautions are there. Uniform civil code. Rules and regulations throughout the country should be uniform. One civil code throughout the country. Equality should install. Secular values should install in the society. Secular values in the sense all religion and castes are encouraged. Secular values. Transcending narrow thoughts in favor of national interest. National interest is first, individual interest is second, and developing healthy national thoughts. Through this way, communalism can be controlled. Status of women. To improve the status of women, what government has done? This is also one of the very important aspect, can be asked for 3 and 4 marks as well. One is Women and Child Development Department started, and many programs are started to curb child marriage. Dowry Prohibition Act passed. Compulsory education has been implemented. Stree Shakti program implemented. Self-help groups are implemented. Women Commission is established to address the various problems of women. Reservation given in legislative body, and reservation is also given in government recruitments. All these done for women to improve the status of women. Terrorism and extremism. Terrorism, it is nothing but extremism. What is terrorism? Method of putting pressure on government which is based on political ideology and religious faith. Terrorism, it is nothing but, fulfilling narrow and creating panic in society, and it is nothing but glorification of violence. Glorification of violence is nothing but terrorism. What are the effects of terrorism? Can be asked for 2 marks as well. That is psychological pain, negative and cultural aspect. Psychological pain on people, negative cultural aspects on society. It creates fear and loss of property and life as well. All these because of terrorism. How the terrorism execute? The targets, usually terrorist targets civilians, military base camps, specific community they target on, which is based on skin color and religion. They use explosive deadly gases and network of intelligence they use. Gadgets, transport system they use. They usually target on airport, railway stations and markets where there are more number of people gathered. And they use tactics like bombing, suicide bombing, kidnapping, all such kind of methods they use to execute their goal. Control. the ways of controlling terrorism. India always criticizes terrorism, you know that. Wherever terrorism takes place, it always condemns. And India always strive to protect property and their life, ordinary people's life. And special allied forces created to tackle terrorism. You know, India is a peace-loving country, undertaken many initiatives to stop terrorism. Many more places of attacks by terrorists: Nagaland, Manipur, Kashmir, Hotel Mumbai 2007, and Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, all these frequently attacked. Last one, corporate strategy. What is corporate strategy? Let's check it out. That is definition: a group of administrative measures undertaken by company to achieve pre-mediated target is called corporate strategy. Present day what happening, corporate strategies are using globalized environment and technology. It aims at maximizing the profit. Corporate strategy's main goal is maximizing the profit of the company. It affects people, society negatively even sometimes. Corporate strategy, for example, a private company's influence on a government. A corporate company's influence on a decision of the government as well. Ratan Tata and Wipro companies. These companies influence on government as well to increase their profit. For example, IPL tournaments are there. Because of the IPL tournaments, the private companies invest their money, and even they pressurize on government. And such kind of games arranged by such private companies to earn more and more profit. And see, the even influence on decision of the government as well, such companies. And companies are employed to alleviate social problems. Yes, there are many negatives and positive aspects of this corporate strategy. Because of the private companies, many employability and social problems can be eradicated, and poverty can be eradicated, health facility can be given for common people. All these execute through CSR. What is CSR? Corporate Social Responsibility, CSR. So in this particular session, we have discussed about problems of India and solutions. Thank you for joining. Thank you one and all.